Welcome to Best Worst. Today, we're exploring the smartest AI tools you can use every single day to make life easier, faster, and way more comfortable. From smarter homes to productivity, health, and even editing your social media content, these A's can seriously upgrade your daily routine. First up, smart home assistants like Amazon, Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomePod. These AI tools let you control your lights, temperature, alarms, music, and even your coffee maker using just your voice. Imagine waking up, saying good morning, and your house comes to life automatically, lights on, a weather update, and coffee brewing. That's real comfort. Next, let's talk productivity. Tools like Notion AI, ChatGPT, and Todoist with AI features help you plan your day. Organize tasks, write emails, summarize documents, and remind you of important deadlines. Instead of managing your schedule manually, these A's help you stay focused and save hours every single week. AI is also your personal health coach. Devices like the Apple Watch, Fitbit, and apps like MyFitnessPal. AI track your activity, monitor your sleep, recommend workouts, and help you build healthy habits. It's like having a 24/7 fitness trainer and health assistant right on your wrist. Cooking doesn't have to be stressful. AI-powered apps like Yumly, Mealime, and Samsung SmartThings Cooking suggest meals based on the ingredients you already have, your diet goals, and your schedule. Some smart ovens even recognize food and choose the best cooking mode automatically, making meal prep faster and easier than ever. Now, let's talk about something everyone uses: editing photos and videos for social media. AI tools like Remini, Facetune AI, Adobe Express AI, and CapCut AI can enhance your pictures, remove backgrounds, fix lighting, retouch faces, and even create professional-looking videos instantly. If you make videos, AI apps like Pika Labs, Runway ML, and CapCut's auto-editing features can generate transitions, cute specs, subtitles, and even full video cuts with one tap. No editing skills are needed, just choose a style and let the AI handle the rest. These tools are perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram creators who want fast, clean, eye-catching content. Finally, AI can help you learn anything, anytime. Tools like Duolingo, AI Khan Academies, Conmigo, and Google Search AI help you study faster, understand complex topics, and get instant explanations. It's like carrying a personal mentor in your pocket. These AI tools can seriously boost your comfort, productivity, and creativity every single day. Thanks for watching Best Worst. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps the channel grow.